Right, good morning everyone. I'm just going to show you what I do in work and basically how it works, shall I say. Basically this is an oil burner for the heating, which is what they call high and low fire. Basically the low fire keeps the heat, the main heat, and when it reaches temperature near enough, both flames will come on, and when it reaches near enough temperature the low flame will drop off. Basically all it is, it's two oil pipes in the burner with an ignition system. Lights the flame. A little probe takes a photograph of it. I'll just show you. Which is a photocell there, which looks at the flame. That's your safety device to make sure that obviously it's fired before it puts the full oil onto it. Yeah. I say I've just rebuilt these. Well, one of them. Put new nozzles on them. I'll just show you how they work. Basically, these boilers are about 300 kilowatt each, which I've worked out with the manufacturers who make the burners for it at 4 gallon an hour. Basically what it is, I'll just show you these are your nozzles which spray a pattern of oil into the burner as it lights. Basically your biggest nozzle, which is a 2.75, which is low, and you've got a 1.25, which is high, and it sprays a mist which lights. But the combustion, obviously air mixture will change. So what happens is, I've just put a new one on this. Basically it fires on a set air mixture on low fire, which is 2.75 gallon an hour. Then when your thermostat calls for more heat, say it's cold, what it does, it opens a little hydraulic damper there, which you've just put on, and there's your air mixture there. It's set low flame at 50%. Sorry, just over 40%, 45%. So, there you go. I'll just show you them working and how the rams work. Which one shall I put on? This one. As I say, you've got to set the combustion up for both of them, low and high fire, which is a bit of a pain in the bottom. Right, I'll show you the low flame first, which will light 2.75 gallon nozzle first. Yeah. And this light comes on when it reaches high flame. Yeah. And I'll show you the damper move. And obviously it'll change the air mixture to suit when it kicks in anytime this week. Don't blink. There you go, did you see it? Right, there's a switch here to set it to low. I'll do it and watch the ram should drop back. So what it's doing now is it's lit both nozzles now, so obviously it'll adjust the air to suit. Right, I'll drop it back off. See the ram move, and I'll turn it back up again. This is lighting the 1.25 nozzle, which will then give you a total of 4 gallon an hour. US gallons, by the way. Basically all it does is, I'll just explain to you, there's two thermostats. Right, number one thermostat, which controls your low fire and your high fire, which then link to these 1 and 2 solenoid valves here. 1 and 2. So as your thermostat's calling, basically that's a differential thermostat. So obviously one of them will be on, number 1 will be on about 75 degrees C, and if you drop your other one about 70 degrees C, as it reaches enough temperature, the second stack kicks in and it'll drop it back down to the lower nozzle, so it just tickles the heat, if you know what I mean. I've just repaired this one also next to it. I'll just show you. The combustion on these, yeah, here's my machine which tells you what the burner. I'll just show you these. Normally on an oil burner, you're looking less than 200 parts per million. CO, that is. Right, we've lit. I'll just show you the high flame should come on in a sec. Come on. There she goes. Right, as I say, what you do is you can buy any burner to match any boiler, but you've got to match the kilowatts up for the boiler. So obviously this boiler kicks out at about 290 kilowatts. So obviously you've got to match it with the kilowatts of the burner. I'll just show you the combustion of this on my computer, which I've got plugged in the back of the flue, in the chimney, shall I say. There. Here's my machine. Right. Goes down this wire. You see that number dropping down to CO parts per million? That's because the initial fire, it sends it up, but then once the flame stabilises, it will drop down. See, it's still dropping. I'll just show the efficiency. Oh, it's gone off. It's gone off on the timer. I've overridden it, you see. Yeah, but so there you go. That's roughly how an oil boiler works. I hope you find this information useful, and bye for now.